I am here to tell you about the key features of the aluminium ground mounting system developed by Land Power Solar. This product is an ideal solution for ground mounted solar applications and can be conveniently installed with a wide tilt angle ranging from 0 to 60 degrees. It is made of aluminium, which is lighter than steel and thus facilitates easy transport and installation. The anti-corrosive property of aluminium ensures that the system can be used in outdoor settings, including coastal areas. All the components of our mounting system are pre-cut and pre-drilled at our factory, which helps in the easy system assembly, ultimately saving time and labour costs during installation. Versatile design allows the system to be used for both landscape and portrait array layouts, as well as for mounting frameless and framed modules. It has been tested for its mechanical strength according to various international standards, such as the Australian ASNZS 1170 and Japanese JISC 8955, and is certified to withstand extreme weather conditions, such as wind speed of up to 216 km per hour and snow loads of up to 1.4 kilonewtons per square metre. It also comes with a 10-year product warranty and 20-year service warranty, guaranteeing the repair or replacement of the product or its parts if found to be defective during the warranty period. By customers' request, we can customise the system, making it a perfect fit for your specific requirements. In our arsenal, we have a range of various well thought out and handy solutions for ground mounted solar applications. Land Power Solar is an innovative company with experience of more than 12 years, dedicated to the development and production of solar mounting systems and their components. The high quality, versatility and efficiency of our products make them popular with customers from various countries around the world. Examples of our projects include an aluminium ground mounting 2 megawatt system in the Netherlands, a ballasted mounting for 1.5 megawatt system in Belgium, a steel ground mounting for 2.5 megawatt system in China, a trapezoidal roof mounting for 1.5 megawatt system in Bosnia and Herzegovina, and many others.